In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim in Fusion 360. Trimming is an essential sketch editing skill that helps you clean up extra lines and tidy intersections so your profiles are ready for features like extrude, revolve, or loft. Think of it as erasing the pieces you don't need while keeping the overall shape precise. Start by opening the sketch you want to edit. If you're working from an existing design, simply enter the sketch so you can see its lines and curves. Make sure you're in the sketch environment so the sketch toolbar and palette are visible. A clean view helps here, so zoom in where you'll be working and pan around to frame the areas that need attention. Next, select the trim tool from the sketch toolbar or press the T key on your keyboard. Your cursor changes to indicate you're trimming. When you hover over a segment, Fusion 360 previews the portion that will be removed, usually the section between the two nearest intersections. This preview is your guide. If the highlighted portion isn't what you meant to remove, move your cursor slightly or zoom in for a more precise trim. Now click the sketch lines or curves you want to remove. Each click snips away the selected segment and the remaining geometry stays connected where it still intersects. This is especially useful for cleaning up overlapping shapes, cutting away construction scaffolding, or closing off extra loops around corners. If you trim something by mistake, use undo right away to restore the segment. Be mindful of constraints and dimensions. Trimming a constrained or dimensioned segment may remove those relationships if they depend on the piece you're cutting. That's normal. Just keep an eye on your design intent as you go. Continue trimming until the sketch is clean. A clean sketch is one where only the necessary edges remain, intersections are tidy, and your intended profiles are clearly formed without stray pieces. As you trim, you'll often notice areas begin to highlight as closed profiles, indicating they're ready for downstream features. If a profile doesn't highlight, look for tiny gaps or extra overlaps and trim those away. Take your time with curves and corners and zoom in on dense areas to make precise clicks. When you're satisfied, your sketch should look purposeful and easy to read with only the lines and curves you need to define your design. That's all there is to trimming in Fusion 360. Open your sketch, activate trim, click away the extras, and refine until everything is clean and ready for modeling.